In this lesson, we're gonna learn about a function that just compares two fields, and if those fields are the same, our function is just gonna return a null. And that function is NULLIF. So for my example, to test this out, I'm creating a new table with just 3 columns. The table is named as exams 1Z0-071. It has columns student ID, exam score, and updated score. So let's create this, and I'm gonna insert 3 values to it. So 3 rows are now inserted, and let's check the state of it. In my table, I have 3 rows, of which 2 rows, the first one and the third one, have the exam score and updated score completely the same. We can see first row 100, 100, and the third is 80, 80. While the second row has a different values for exam score and updated score. And in my example, with a NULLIF function, I want to check if the exam score and updated score are the same. In my NULLIF function, I'm passing in 2 parameters, which are the ones that are gonna be compared, right? So the updated score is gonna be compared to the exam score. So when I execute my query with a NULLIF function, we can see for the first row, the exam score is the same to the updated score, and my NULLIF function will return a null. But if the exam score and updated score do not match, my function is gonna return the updated score, which is the first parameter in my function. Very simple function, but do test it out. You can do that with the provided resources under this lesson or create your own. See you in the next one.